Okay, good morning po. Dito tayo sa 3 stages of stress or general arousal syndrome or in short, GAS model. Yung the first one po natin is alarm. Basahin muna natin. Alarm is the first stage when the threat or stressor is identified or realized. The body's stress response is a state of alarm. During this stage, adrenaline will be produced in order to bring about the fight or flight response. Sabi nga po dito sa una, yung alarm daw is fight or flight. Lahat tayo nakakaranas netong alarm phase. Yung sign na nararamdaman natin yung alarm phase is nagtitrembling ka or yung nanginginig yung katawan mo, nagbablush or yung namumula ka. And kasama na din yung syempre naiiyak ka din. And also yung pinaka is yung rapid heartbeat or yung pagbilis ng pagtibok ng puso natin. Okay, di pa tayo sa pangalawa, resistance. Basahin muna natin. Resistance is the second stage. If the stressor persists, it becomes necessary to attempt some means of coping with stress, although the body begins to try to adapt to the strains or demands of the environment. The body cannot keep this up indefinitely, so its resources are gradually depleted. Resistance stage. Sabi nga, the body begins to repair itself. So, yung heart rate natin and blood pressure ay magi-start na maging normal. O yung katawan natin ay papasok na siya sa recovery phase. Okay, the third one is exhaustion. Exhaustion is the third and final stage in GAS model. At this point, all of the body's resources are eventually depleted and the body is unable to maintain normal function. The initial autonomic nervous system symptoms may repair sweating, raise heart rate, and etc. Sabi nga, yung exhaustion daw is nafe-feel mo yung anxious and depressed. Like yung nahihirapan kang matulog. Ganun lang. For example na lang, yung may past exam ka. Then hindi mo tanggap yung naging score mo ba. And ikaw na parang nagigilty or na-stress kasi di mo alam kung makakapasa ka ba this sem dahil mababa yung score mo. At doon na pumapasok na yung depression and di ka makatulog na maayos. Diyan. Ito yung sample ng GAS model, the General Adaptation Syndrome. Okay, sa pangatlo, types and categories of stress. Acute stress, basahin muna natin, is what most identify as stress. It make itself felt through tension, headaches, emotional upset, gastrointestinal disturbance, feeling of agitation and pressure. Ang acute stress daw ay ito yung pinakakilala bilang stress. Matinding stress ay kapag nakaramdam ka ng agarang banta. Gayunpaman, kapag ang talamak na stress ay nagiging labis na nakakapagod din, maaari itong magkaroon ng negatibong epekto sa ating katawan and kalusugan. Episodic stress. Pangalawa is episodic stress. Stress is more serious and can lead to migraines, hypertension, stroke, heart attack, anxiety, depression, and serious gastrointestinal distress. Pagkakaintindi ko dito ay yung parang patuloy na estado ng tensyon at pag-aalala natin or yung pagkabalisa. Ang episodic na stress ay itinuturing na seryoso dahil maaari itong magkaroon ng makabuluhan at pangmatagalang epekto sa ating katawan, physical at mental na kalusugan natin. Ito yung episodic stress. And dito tayo sa chronic stress. It's the most serious of all. It's the stress that never ends. It grinds us down till our resistance is gone. Serious systematic illness such as diabetes, decreased immune competence, perhaps cancer is its hallmark. Ito nga yung chronic stress, ito yung pinaka tinuturing nilang mapanganib dahil sa malalim at malawak na epekto nito sa physical at mental na kalusugan natin. Yun yung chronic stress. And the last is traumatic stress. It is the result of massive acute stress, the effect of which can be reverberate through our system for years. Post-traumatic stress disorder is treatable and reversible, usually requires professional aids. Ito yung pinakamalalim na stress na dadalhin talaga natin, yung talagang habang nabubuhay tayo, dalang-dala natin itong traumatic stress ito. Ito yung parang pag like may inatakutan kang like insekto, may trauma ka na kasi biniro ka ng isa mong kaibigan, tinapos siyempre. Yun. So kapag nakikita mo yung insektong yun, parang nagpa-flashback yung nangyari sa'yo. Like ito yung sinasabi na trauma. Thank you.